Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's been a while since I made a video, but I wanted to make a quick one here. Thinborne sent me over. It's a case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which I've been using for several months now. I did check out their case for the Nothing Phone 1, which you can check out up here, which was a fantastic product and case. Time to check out a new case for this device. From my understanding, they've come a long ways in terms of their quality and their actual products. So this is a super thin Aramid fiber case. They make them for Pixel, iPhone, Samsung. You can check out their website. I'll leave the link down in the description where you can pick one up. You can also use my coupon code Chris Panton for 15% off your purchase as well. But let's get into it. Aramid fiber, which is going to add a lot of durability without adding bulk to your device. So yeah, this is a very minimal case, super thin and light, and let's go ahead and check it out here right now. Okay, you get cleaning kits because you also get tempered glass screen protectors with this. So you get free tempered glass screen protectors. This looks for the Pixel devices completely solid, no cutout for the camera. So that's actually really nice. You don't have to worry about installing it upside down, and you're going to get complete coverage of your glass. I already have a tempered glass screen protector on my device, but here is the case, and that feels like nothing. It feels like a couple sheets of paper, and it's essentially as thin as a few sheets of paper, 0.03 of an inch, as a matter of fact. But here we have all of your cutouts for your speaker, mic, and charging port at the bottom, your millimeter wave antenna, 5G antenna up top, mic hole, complete full cutout for the rear camera visor, open side for your buttons, which I love to see. I love minimal cases like this that just leave the complete openness of the buttons, so that way you actually feel the buttons and get proper button actuation like the manufacturer intended it. And then Thinborne, design in Texas, made in China. 50 bucks. It's not cheap, but the quality of this is fantastic. You get a nice thin kind of soft touch feeling of the Aramid fiber, and then you get a little bit of cutouts here for the case to kind of flex to get around your device. Now let's go ahead and throw this in. I have that bay color of the Pixel 8 Pro. Snaps in just like that. So in terms of overall front glass protection, like I said, I have a tempered glass screen protector already installed. It looks like the corners are a little bit more raised than the rest of the whole case. So when you set this down, as you can see, it kind of slides around, but there is a little bit of dragginess on the corner here, raised up just a little bit more than the rest of the case. But overall, that feels good. It feels like as if there's no case on at all. There is the type of camera protection that you get. Again, very minimal case, but you are going to get some drop protection. With the Nothing phone that I had in this Aramid fiber case that I used, I actually dropped the phone onto asphalt and getting out of my truck, and the device was perfectly fine with just minor scuff to the case itself. But there is the buttons, which will of course feel great. Really symmetrical cutouts for the bottom ports right there. So yeah, and minimal branding. Thinborne right down here at the bottom. That feels really good. I mean, you're paying for good quality case and materials. The case isn't super slippery. There is a grippiness to this as well, which is really nice. Of course, if your fingers are oily and greasy, it will pick that up and transmit onto the case, but this is going to be really easy to clean off with just like an alcohol wipe or something like that, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, this is a great feeling case. Definitely would recommend picking this up. So yeah, 50 bucks minus 15% if you use my coupon code Chris Panton. Again, this is for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, and they make other Aramid fiber cases for Samsung and iPhone. So if you guys have questions, comments, concerns, let me know down in the comments below. Until next time, I might see you in another video later on. Take care.